about you, Internet? Oh man, it's been a long time. Shit's happened. We knew our last video, I think we ended saying we were gonna come out with one in like 1 to 2 weeks. And I told you that shit wasn't gonna happen because everything was gonna happen at once. But anyway, we were gonna make our next video as the argon installation. A lot of stuff happened since the last video.
Yeah,
we lost an employee.
Yeah.
Had to leave. I got a tattoo on my hand.
Yeah.
It wasn't coming. We also hired somebody new.
Yeah, his name is Charlie. He's right here.
Hey guys, I'm Charlie, new welder and fabricator at Forever Fab. Glad to be here.
All right, Cam, should I put you on the spot? Where have we been for the last 2 months?
Sure. We've been building shit.
That's not, well, okay, yeah. Not shit that we get paid for, though.
That's true, yeah. We've been making no profit lately.
That's also not true.
That's true. Charlie's been making us money.
Yeah, Charlie!
Whoa! While the rest of us, well, Charlie's been building it too, but we've been making an office space. So,
Windows now. Look at that.
Now we can open a window and yell at people.
I'm actually like,
Get off your phone!
we're 100 feet up in the air right now.
This is weird. Kickflip. Tables included.
there we go.
Office space.
Oh
That's
shit,
office
that's right.
space.
So this is gonna be Matt's new office.
Matt plus wife.
Matt plus wife. And over here, a future person is getting this office.
Give me a reason to hire you.
We'll cut out. We want to do some AC or something there, but and this is the Harry Potter room.
That's the file room.
Yeah, just office storage space.
And then
this,
the coolest room,
the lounge.
the lounge room.
The lounge.
Meeting / lounge room. We spent what, the last 2 weeks building.
Yep.
Probably another week or two before that demoing and cleaning out this entire filthy bay. So long story short, we acquired another bay. Aside from our main facility.
Yeah.
We're moving plasma cutting over here and MIG welding, and then we also have the new office upstairs, and then downstairs, which we'll go in a second, we have a new shipping and parts
Yeah, parts
room.
department.
Yeah, parts room. So
Should
let's
we
go
go
downstairs.
All right.
So this is our new parts department, where it is crammed full of shit that's not all ours.
Yeah, most of this is going away. Some of it's staying, but it's kind of just become the bag of holding for all of our shit.
Yeah. While the plasma cutting guy gets his area set up, we
Yep.
are moving stuff around. We just got wiring down in here. And yeah, next we gotta get a new garage door. We gotta get heating situated, AC,
Sheetrock up on the walls.
and then insulation and sheetrock. Yep.
Yeah. It's coming together.
It's coming together. It's kind of crazy how short a time it has been, but also
It
it's
feels
been a
like
spell.
an eternity.
Yeah.
What has it been, like 3 weeks?
3
since
weeks.
the old office went down?
Yeah, maybe we'll show a little clip of the old office
Yeah.
coming down.
Yeah.
Tearing it down.
Yeah, I mean it's It's OSHA approved.
Totally.
Demo work.
We're always.
Yeah, we were safe. The guy in the chair was safe. Everybody was safe.
Nobody died.
The guy in the chair was
Nobody
a consenting
got
adult.
hurt. Did anybody even bleed?
No.
Other than that, we've been working on our cat shields like crazy
Yep.
all over the country. Been shipping those around. Fun stuff.
Totally.
Not as much like exciting car stuff.
No, I haven't welded in like 3 weeks.
Dang.
Other than
Until
the last 2
yesterday.
days.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully once this is done, we can start touching back into the fabrication. Got a couple cars to work on.
We got
For
cars
sure.
lined up. It's just space and time. It's really our only.
Space and time.
Nice.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're redoing one of our shields right now to make it even better. We have an S2K in here right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's getting some swappy action.
Swappy.
Swappy. It sounds sexual.
We're making a little.
Sloppy, swappy action.
Oh my
We also have, what else coming in? We might have a returning customer who wants to delete a muffler off their car.
Yep.
We have a Volvo. What is it? Is it built? I don't remember what the deal is with the Volvo.
I think it's just like kind of a survivor. Like unmodified, unrestored.
I thought he said it was like an engine swapped one.
Oh.
Like I think you put a more powerful engine from the original. So I'm not gonna say it's
I was gonna
crazy.
say
It's not a dragster.
It's still a Volvo 4-banger from like the 60s.
Yeah.
That was swapped over into it.
Yeah.
He needs some bit of repair.
Yeah,
So
just
that's
remounting
good.
his bumper and some other light stuff. So.
Yeah, he's fully restoring the thing basically.
Yep.
I don't know. Oh, well, we can talk about our new products coming down the line. We have our
Oh, yeah.
new products coming down
Yep.
from our new website, which we did mention our new website before, but it's foreverfabparts.com. And our first our first things going on there from us are we have battery, would you call them relocation trays?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
if you could fit them in the engine bay, have fun with it. But battery relocation trays, they're full stainless steel to resist corrosion.
Yep.
And they come with which we have, I don't think we talked about that either, but our lightweight aluminum
Battery tie
battery
downs.
tie downs, which we offer in an array of powder coating options as well.
Yep. Gray, black, orange, and red.
Yeah.
Yep, all texture, kind of texture. It's not really like heavy texture.
It's not a heavy
very-
texture, but it's nice and subdued. I don't
Yeah.
know. I dig it. And then of course raw clear aluminum.
Yeah, raw aluminum, raw stainless, brushed stainless. But the trays are on pre-order right now. You can pre-order them on our website. The tie downs we have right now, if you just wanted the tie down, which it can fit most replacements, like stock ones.
Yeah, it's sized for a group 3478. And what did John say it fit? Like a 20. What was the Honda battery?
The dimensions are on the
25.
website, and you can measure your battery to find out if it fits.
Yep.
Disclaimer.
No fitment advice is given in this video.
We could just say, like, if you guys order 100 trays, we're going to eat 100 pizzas.
Oh, gross. Wait, do we have to eat them or can we just order them? Can we feed a small community?
100 burgers? 100 wings? We can do 100 wings.
100
wings are
100
easy.
Charlie's massive fucking burrito.
Oh, God.
Jesus. I'm
Let's
so
talk about burritos. No. Wings I could do. I could do 100 wings without, like, crying thinking about it.
Yeah.
We've been having Five Guys too much that I can't talk about burgers.
If you order trays, if you pre-order trays, we'll all love you.
Yeah, you're feeding
There you
us.
go.
You're feeding us.
You're
in some
feeding
way.
my family. All right.
How big's your family?
8 kids,
God.
3 wives, something like that. I forget. Sorry.
Oh God, showing me up.
All right, well, that was a pretty chaotic video, but we're signing off until next time. I know we kind of promised some new videos coming up. Have not followed through on them at all. But now we're going to be better.
That's not true.
We're working on it.
Charlie's here full time. He'll pick up the slack around this
That's right.
fucking place.
More Fab videos coming to you soon.
Fab videos, promise videos, car videos, new office videos,
That's right.
foosball videos. We're gonna get a foosball table.
Can't afford a vasectomy, so next year, if you pay me more. Pay raise and I'll get one.
Oh, that got weird.
Yeah, you can just cut all of that out.
Well, you heard it here first. If you order battery trays, Charlie's getting a vasectomy.
Oh no, I gotta follow through on this.